So today I am looking at a RAV4, and the reason why, you'll see from my other videos, I've got a RAV4. It's now coming up to 4 years old. I was looking to change it, but I thought they had stopped doing the hybrid. I thought you could only get the plug-in RAV4, which was over the threshold for the wealth tax. I wasn't really keen on paying 500-600 quid a year on road tax, so I started looking at CHRs. You'll see the videos. There's plenty of them on there of my viewing the CHRs, but I've just found out they've re-released the hybrid starting at 39.8, which comes under the 40,000 wealth tax bracket. So let's get on with it. Have a look at this brand new, as you can see, just been released, 24 plate CHR. Admittedly, this is the XL model. So the 39 grand one's the design, which will come with cloth seats. This has got really nice leather trim, look at that. Beautiful inside. They've slightly changed the multimedia compared to where mine was at 4 years ago, but it's very similar. You'll see this one's the two-wheel drive. Four-wheel drive has a little button there. But yeah, so I'm quite happy because I'm thinking, I love the space. I mean, look how much room is in there. Beautifully kitted out, this one, look at this. I prefer the black wheels that I've got a dynamic, and these are all black and these are black, and I love it. They don't do the dynamic now anymore, but you know, if that was an option, I would definitely buy it. But yeah, they're all the same as mine. The boots in these are huge. So I was looking at, like I said, CHRs, which the boot was a bit smaller, but come on, look at the size of that. Get many things in, many bodies, if that was your thing. But yeah, look at that, beautiful inside. Smells beautiful in there, the leather. It really does smell nice. But again, this one's the XL, so it's like 42, so it comes just over the threshold for the high rate tax, which is not my bag. I don't enjoy that sort of thing. So yeah, let's pop on inside, have a quick look. Let's go POV. Entertainment. Yeah, it's all very different to mine. Gives you all the information. What have we got down here? It's got heated seats like mine. It's got heated steering wheel. I think that's the only option I haven't got on mine. It's got the view button, so same as mine, got a 360 camera. So let's get on inside and see that. So we'll press the button, and then what it does, look at this. It shows you all around the car. So before you pull off, you can make sure you're not just about to run over your kid's bike, your lawnmower plug, etc. Look, mate, come on. How cool is that? And then it gives you an aerial view as well. I've got that on mine, but I've not. One of the things you don't really play with that much. But if I parked in a garage like this, then yeah, I think that's a cool option. And then you can just flick it back to your nav. So yeah, they're back doing the hybrid. What do you reckon? What do you reckon of that colour? I quite like it. Actually, should we have a look under the bonnet? I've had a tendency recently to look under the bonnet, so I have no idea why. I have no idea what I'm looking at. But let's do it. Yeah, exactly the same as mine. They've not changed anything under there. And I still have no idea what anything does. But they have changed the lights. Compared to my model, them lights, I mean, they do look cool. I mean, I quite like my lights. My lights have got like an angel height, like thing around it, like the old BMW angel lights. They're a bit different. I don't know, they're nice, but I don't know, I think I prefer mine. That's bright, isn't it? Look at that. But yeah, hybrid RAV4, been released again, so you can now buy them and pay the lower rate tax. That was worth a look today, wasn't it? Let's just have another quick spin round, a quick walk round, or I say walk, a bit of a limp, got a dodgy leg. All still the same, the rear end's pretty much identical, but like I said, I've got the dynamic, so it's got the painted, because you'll see on all my other videos, I do not like this grey plastic that gets used a lot. So that's why I bought the dynamic, because that comes painted black, and the wheels are black, but you can't get that anymore Mine's getting a bit leggy, he's doing a few miles. So I'm looking to get a new vehicle. As I said, you'll see all my videos, looked at loads of CHRs, loads of options, BZ4X as well. Although everyone's hating on the BZ4X for some reason, don't know why. I'm not really a fan of electric, but if that's your thing, that's your thing. I'm a fan of the hybrid though. The hybrid for me, we're getting great fuel economy, we're getting great performance. When I go into London itself, it goes into battery mode and very rarely comes out of battery mode as long as you just tickle the throttle. So for me, it was a great option to have. So when they went only to plugins on the RAV, I was like, that's annoying. Now I'm gonna have to go to CHRs and get a hybrid. But now they've gone back. So is the electric revolution coming to an end? What do you think?